In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an approval workflow using Power Automate in this 2022 tutorial. We'll start by navigating through the necessary steps to set up a streamlined approval process that can help you automate tasks and improve efficiency in your organization. So, whether you're looking to manage document approvals or streamline project sign-offs, this tutorial will guide you through every step. First up, we need to log into Power Automate. To do this, open your web browser and head to flow.microsoft.com. Once there, use your Microsoft 365 account credentials to sign in. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to create flows within your account, as this will be crucial for the following steps. Once you've logged in successfully, let's create a new flow. On the left-hand menu of your Power Automate dashboard, you'll find the Create option. Click on it, and then choose Automated Cloud Flow. Now, you'll be prompted to provide a name for your flow. It's a good idea to give it something descriptive, like Document Approval Process, so you can easily identify it later on. Now, it's time to choose a trigger that fits your needs. For example, if your workflow involves SharePoint, you might select when an item is created as your trigger. When you're all set, click Create to move on. With our flow skeleton in place, it's time to add the approval action, a key component for automating decision-making. Click on New Step to open up the action menu. In the search box that appears, type Approval and then select Start and wait for an approval from the list of suggested actions. Let's configure this approval action now. You'll need to decide on an approval type. For instance, Approve, Reject, first to respond, might suit your needs if you want the quickest response to dictate the outcome. Enter a meaningful title for the approval request, like Approval Request for Document Submission. Then, specify who will be approving this request by entering their email address. You can also use dynamic content if the approver's email is contained from an earlier step. Finally, provide any additional details necessary for the approver to understand the context, like, please review and approve the attached document. Feel free to enhance the message using Markdown for a cleaner look and better formatting. Now, let's handle the various outcomes of this approval request. Again, click New Step and choose the Condition action. In the configuration for the condition, begin at the first box, select Outcome from the dynamic content options. The operator we'll use is equal to, and for the value input, type Approve. This will let us define what happens next based on the response. If the outcome is a yes or approved, add actions to manage this scenario, like sending a confirmation email or updating an item on a SharePoint list to reflect the approval. On the chance of receiving a no or rejected response, set up actions to adequately handle this outcome, such as notifying the requester about the rejection or perhaps logging the reason for future reference. And that's it. By following these carefully laid out steps, you have created a functional approval workflow in Power Automate.